The Greenbike Big Dog Off-Road Electric City Bike is a high-performance folding off-road bike. It has a full suspension, a powerful motor, and grippy fat tires. The frame has a mid-fold bike frame with a thick hinge and secured with a clamp with a quick-release mechanism that makes the whole frame stable. It to speed with its powerful 750-watt DC motor that gets you to speed of up to 28 miles per hour. It is the perfect ride for city commuting, riding the bush, or biking on the beach. It has a massive 16 amp-hour power pack consisting of lithium-ion batteries that has a single charge range of 25 to 50 miles, so you can use it for long trips. The bike has 5 levels of pedal assist, so you can choose to either increase the bike range or make pedaling easier, or use the throttle to travel and speed up effortlessly on the road. The bike also has a 6-speed Shimano rear derailleur, so you can control and ride it like an ordinary bike. It is a capable electric road bike, with 20-inch rims with 4-inch fat tires for excellent grip and comfort on the road.
Buy yours now at Electric Bike Paradise and save hundreds of dollars in total savings. We ensure you the lowest price available, free shipping to lower 48 of USA, no sales tax outside Wyoming, and other Electric Bike Paradise exclusive promos and freebies. Limited stock on hand, so get yours now before they're gone. Welcome to Electric Bike Paradise, your #1 source to find the best electric bikes for sale. We're dedicated to giving you the very best electric bikes, with a focus on selection, quality, and uniqueness. Shop our selection of name brand electric bikes today and get free shipping plus no sales tax and more.